ॐ पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य प्रसाराय नैजं सर्वं ददाम्यहम् संस्कृतस्य सदा भक्तो वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् संस्कृतस्य कृते जीवन् संस्कृतस्य कृते यजन् आत्मानमाहुतं मन्ये वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणं नामध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दतामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यास विशाल बुद्धे पुल्लाररायत्र नेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः प्रपन्न पारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचानूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी स्तोतिर्ना खलु पाण्डवैरनदी कैवर्तः केशवः आराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगण्डोत्कटं ज्ञानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पीपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारत पङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। अथ गीतामाहात्म्यम्। गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं यः पठेत् प्रयतः पुमान् विष्णो पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकविवर्जितः। गीताध्ययनशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च। मलनिर्मोचनं जलस्नानादिने सकृद्गीताम्बसी स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमन्यै शास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माभिः भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोर्वक्त्राद्विनिःसृतम् गीता गङ्गोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दुग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पातो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकी पुत्रगीतमेको देवदेवकी एव एको मन्त्रस्तस्य नामानि यानि कर्मात् एकं तस्य देवस्य सेवा। अथ ध्यानम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगभृध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मावरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्तीतित्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः भगिनी. अत्र I think there is a echo. Somebody has to mute. Who has not muted? मेधा कुलकर्णी भगिनी भवती म्यूट करोतु. हरि ओम. दृश्यते वा? श्रूयते वा?
Shruyate, it's not happening. I'll log in again.
Okay.
I will go out and come again.
Okay. Because you mute yourself because of two mics open, there is a echo
Yeah.
problem. अस्तु. तर्हि गतसप्ताहे अस्माभिः कर्मणि प्रयोगस्य विषये किञ्चित् ज्ञातम्. अनन्तरम् अकर्मकधातवः, सकर्मकधातवः, द्विकर्मकधातवः तेषां विषये अपि किञ्चित् अस्माभिः दृष्टं. तर्हि तत्र कर्मणि प्रयोगे तथा कर्मणि प्रयोगस्य कर्तरि प्रयोगे कथं परिवर्तनं करणीयम् एतद्विषये सर्वे इदानीं किं आश्वस्तः वा? Are you confident now with how to change kartari to karmani, karmani to kartari?
अस्तु महोदय.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Could you do the exercise of lesson number 18? अष्टादश पाठस्य अभ्यासः भवद्भिः किं कृतः वा? I am asking in तत्र कोऽपि सन्देहः, केऽपि सन्देहाः, आशङ्काः सन्ति चेत् पृच्छन्तु. नो चेत्
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir,
Page number 124.
120. Okay. I hope it is a new edition.
Abhyasa 4, fifth question. Sa lekhanim krinati. And then seventh one. Sachivaha karyam kurvanti.
Okay.
Both kri dadu and kr dadu. But both are coming. Answer is given in the textbook. It is kriyade. Krinadi and kr are different, no?
No. Okay. In krinati, what is the which e is there? Rasva or dirgha?
Kri, no? Kri.
Dirgha krina. So that dirgha kri remains kriyate.
Kriyate. Oh, that difference is there.
सचिवः कार्यं कुर्वन्ति तत्र ह्रस्व भवति. सचिवैः कार्यं क्रियते ह्रस्व क्रि. Apparently, or when you speak, maybe sometimes kri will not be so clear, but that is a difference. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other person? Astu tarihe, Now I will share the screen and I'll open our famous.
Sir, Mahodaya. This the same that Madam Bhavati just told, no? Seventh. There that karyam, and the answer it is written karyani.
Oh no problem. They should not do karyam only. Let me check up in my book because the edition may differ. 17.
How do we find out whether it is Prathama Vibhakti or Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Now in Napusakalinga Shabda, Prathama and Dvitiya both are same, so you don't bother much.
But Sachivaha is Anekvachan, no?
No, Sachivaha, okay, but the work will be done only, I mean, it depends upon whether you want to put them all on the same job or you want to put them on different jobs. Number 7, Karyani Kriyante. No problem. I mean, that part is a different. Suppose all of them are working on the same project. Okay, then it depends. But if everybody is having different task, it is a matter of perception. So no problem. Both are correct. As per me, both are correct. Okay. Now I'll share the screen and then open our what happened? Okay. Now Kartari Karmani Bhave Prayogaha. So in this Prayogasya Arthaha I have given. So in of course that is, so in Prayoga Niyamaha, in Kartari, Karta is Prathama, Karma Dvitiya, and Kriya Padam Kartru Anusari, Dhatu remains Mool Dhatu, whether Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi, and Padam is Mool Padam, that's all. In Karmani Prayoga, Karta is Tritiya, Karma Prathama, Kriya Padam Karma Anusari, Dhatu, Mool Dhatu plus Ya, and Padam always Nityam Atmanepadam Eva. Now we'll jump to Bhave Prayoga. In Bhave Prayoga, there is no karma. Okay. In Kartari Prayoga, I mean, though I have written here karma is in Dvitiya, suppose the karma is not there, then also Kartari Prayoga can be said like Balakaha Gacchati or Balakaha Dhavati Athva Patram Patati. There is no karma, but still it is a Kartari Prayoga because कर्तृ अनुसारी क्रियापदम कथम यदा से पत्रम पतति पत्राणि पतन्ति बालकः धावति बालकाः धावन्ति तर्हि क्रियापदम कर्तृ अनुसारी तदा if we want to change the I mean in the same style as karmani, that karta changed from prathama to tritiya, karma is not there at all, so no problem. Then what about kriya padam? Since the karma is not there, we are changing the karta from prathama to tritiya. In karmani kriya padam karma anusarate eva, so अत्र कर्म एव नास्ति, तर्हि कः नियमः? प्रथमपुरुषे एकवचने एव क्रियापदं भवति, तस्य नाम भावे प्रयोगः. So and same rule, मूल धातु plus ya and atmanepadam eva, and life is very simple. Only you have to remember only the first part of the kriya padam, that table 3 into 3 we always remember na. Vandate vandete vandante vandase vandete vandadve vande vandavahe vandamahe. All that 9 are not required, only remember the first one, prathama purushe ekavachane eva, and change karta from prathama to tritiya, that's all. Very simple. And reverse is also same. In bhave, tritiya will change to prathama, and kriya padam remove ya you will get the mool dhatu. Then that mool dhatu, you should know what is the padam, whether it is atmane padam or parasmay padam, and make that kriya padam as kartru anusari. Because in bhave, the kriya padam is always prathama purusha ekvachan, but in kartari, it if the karta is say dvivachan or bahuvachan, then we have to make that this one. That is the this one. So you can open lesson number 19 and we will go. I mean, it's a very simple thing. Bhave prayogaha vartamana kale. Now, what are the akarmak here? Since
One question, sir.
Yeah.
This in your slide,
Huh.
last column,
Huh.
last two lines. Atmanepadam.
This slide.
Should it not be Atmanepadam Pratyaya?
Which padam? Last column is Mula padam.
Last column, last two rows.
Huh.
You have written Atmanepadam.
Huh.
Should it not be Atmanepadam Pratyaya?
No. See, Atmanepadam, yeah, I mean, you treat that dhatu as it is in the Atmanepadam. That's all. I mean, ultimately, you are going to attach Atmanepadi Pratyayas only. But, I mean, dhatu doesn't change itself. The new
So,
dhatu.
can we say in Karmani and Bhave Prayoga, the Kriya Padam will be always Atmanepadam? Maybe because of this change of you and all that?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
But when you change either from Karmani or Bhave to Parasmai, Kartari, then you have to stick to the original Padam. That original can be Mool, I mean Atmanepadi or Parasmaipadi. Can't make out. You have to remember.
Okay. There you see what is Dhatu. Dhatu is Parasmaipadam, you go for Parasmaipadam Pratyaya.
Yes.
If it is Atmanipadam, go for Atmanipadam Pratyaya.
Yes. That is in the
Okay,
Kartari. Reverse.
Okay.
Suppose I say Balaha, okay, Balena Gruham Gamyate. So here, Balena becomes Balaha or Balakaha. Now Gruham remains Gruham because it is from Dvitiya to Prathama. Naposakalingi is same thing. Now Dhatu is Kriya Padam is Gamyate. So remove the Atmanepadi Pratyaya te, so remains is Gamya. Here you remove ya, you'll get Mool Dhatu Gama. That Gama is Parasmapadi Dhatu. So Balakaha Gruham not say Gachate because original that Karmani Prayoga was Gamyate. So here you'll Gachati. So you have to remember what dhatu it is. I mean, whether it is Parasmaipadi or Atmanepadi. Okay. After removing here, when you get the new dhatu, mool dhatu, then we have to remember its padam or look up tables or website or whatever it is. Is it clear?
That's clear.
No. Okay. इदानीम् उद्घाटयन्तु पेज नंबर 128. नवदश पाठः त्यक्ताहंकारेण भाररहितेन भूयते. Now this particular I will end and open another thing. That विशेष धातवा कुत्र गतः. Okay. Okay, I'll open this. अत्र सन्ति विशेष धातवः. Here I had given that normally in Karmani and Bhave Prayoga, we add ya and get a new dhatu. There are certain dhatus will side change is there, not exactly like patha plus ya pathya. Here there are some changes. So I had given some 43 dhatus or some. So there in the end, 42. Last three dhatus, 40, 41, 42. Bru becomes uchyate, asa becomes bhuyate, para plus aya becomes palayate. Okay. So this asa becomes bhuyate. But now when you change bhuyate to, I mean, karmani or bhave will be bhuyate. When you change, of course, both bhu and asa dhatu are akarmak dhatus. So both will be used only in bhave prayoga, not in karmani prayoga. But um, you remove the pratyay. I mean, I'll open that. You this one. Okay. Now, see, bhuyate. Our rule is change, remove the atmanepadi pratyaya, then remove ya. So you become bhu. So now, bhu, you don't know whether original bhu or which has been changed from asa to bhu. Both are possible. So while going in the reverse direction, you may get, I mean, either you may change bhu to as or bhu to bhu itself, original bhu. That is your choice, but because both mean the same thing. Of course, there is some minor difference. So here, and our rule for bhave is prathama purusha ekvachan eva. But when you go from bhave to kartari, depends upon what is the karta. If the karta is bahuvachana, you have to put bahuvachan kriya padam. Okay. So tyakta hankarena bhararahitena bhuyate. So what is the meaning of this? Can somebody change this to kartari? Apply these rules. Just put these rules and change the sentence to kartari. Tyakta hankarena bhararahitena bhuyate. So
So
change,
shall I try?
try.
त्यक्ताहङ्कारः भाररहितं भवति.
Okay, 1 minute. I will go to another this one. Another I had given Anye Niyamaha. See, atra same thing in bhave. So kartrupadasya visheshanani. I mean, here karma is not there, so it will be only this one. So what are the what is the visheshan vishesha bhavaha? The same lingam, vachanam, and vibhakti. So tyakta hankarena bhararahitena. So both are in tritiya vibhakti, so they have to be in visheshan vishesha bhavaha. So when you change one to another vibhakti, its visheshan also should be changed to other that same vibhakti. So tyakta hankaraha bhararahitaha, both will change to prathama vibhakti, and bhuyate bhavati, or it can be asti. Tyakta hankaraha bhararahitaha bhavati means, what is tyakta hankaraha? A person who has left ahankara. I mean, one who doesn't, non-egoistic person. Bhara rahita bhuyate. He is not under tension at all. Bhara rahita. Bhara rahita means who doesn't have any tension. So a non-egoistic person either becomes or is always tensionless. That is the meaning. So इदानीं पाठं पठामः. कः पठति? एकः काकः अग्रे कोऽपि पठति वा?
एकः काकः तेन आकाशे डीयते.
I think somebody has to mute yourself, please. If there are two mics, we'll be having echo. Okay.
One question, sir.
Yeah.
This Takta Ahankara and what you explained just now, this Takta Ahankaraha, that means that also can be Visheshana, alva?
Has to be.
Okay. And Bharhitaha, that also can be Visheshana.
No. Actually, there is another Vishesha which is hidden. Okay. What is that hidden? It is Adhya Purushena. त्यक्ताहंकारेण भाररहितेन पुरुषे और अत्यक्ताहंकारः पुरुषः भाररहितः भवति. A person, or if you want to put this one, I mean here it is Pullinga, so you can use Purusha, otherwise put Vyakti. त्यक्ताहंकारेण व्यक्तिना भाररहितेन भूयते. So त्यक्ताहंकारः व्यक्तिः भाररहितः भवति.
That means we also need to look at if there is an adhyaratam in the before you convert anything.
It may not be there. I mean, it is a, what do you say?
Karta here is adhyarat, no?
Karta is, you can say one way it is adhyahara, but not necessary. I mean, I mean.
So if you have to define karta in this vakyam, which will be karta?
Tyakta ahankara itself. Tyaktaha ahankara yena saha. Now that saha becomes tyaktaharena tena bhararahitena bhuyate. So that saha can be purushaha or balakaha or chhatraha, anything. Your question is well taken. Only thing is, every time we need not go for adhyahara. That is the thing. If you are not able to make out some sense, then you put adhyahara. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Astu bhagini, agre gacchatu. Tena
सह अन्यैः अपि पक्षिभिः दीयते.
1 minute. Please. No, 1 minute. 1 minute. I think when Prakash Mahodaya spoke, there was no echo. When you are speaking, there is an echo. I think there is a problem in your mic. Are you having two instruments on at the same time?
No. So one.
Then let me, okay. Tena akashe diyate. Tasya kartari kam bhavati. If you have understood the meaning?
Yeah, I have understood the meaning.
Okay. So what will be the kartari? Tena akashe diyate.
Saha akashe dayati.
Not dayati because it is atmanepadi dhatu. So dayate. Akashe dayate.
Dayate. तेन सह अन्यैः पक्षिभिः दीयते.
Now see here. Tena saha अन्यैः अपि पक्षिभिः. Now here, tena saha. This is tritiya ekvachan. अन्यैः तृतीया बहुवचन. पक्षिभिः तृतीया बहुवचन. And so now our rule is from change to tritiya to prathama. So anyaihi pakshibhihi will become prathama kim bhavati?
अन्यः
Huh?
पक्षिः
Why?
no,
पक्षिणः
पक्षिणः
Pakshinaha. And what about anyaihi?
अन्यः
No.
अन्ये अन्ये
Anye. Anye pakshinaha. So that is a bahuvachan. Anye pakshinaha. Now what about tena?
तेन will remain there. Tena will remain the same.
Why doesn't it
Saha.
change to?
Because it is saha is there, tritiya vibhakti, tena saha.
Because the context of tena is with saha, not with that diyate. Okay.
Yeah.
The reference of tena is with saha, that upapada vibhakti. Upapada vibhakti for saha will always be tritiya.
Yeah.
And karmani and bhave prayoge also tritiya. So we have to decide whether the tritiya word is referring to, whether the reference is with the karmani or bhave prayoga or with the upapada vibhakti. So here tena will remain tena. Tena sah anye api pakshinaha. Now diyate.
Dayate. No, sorry. Dayante.
Dayante. Okay.
Dayan.
Right. Now I'll just check whether as per my understanding, the dayate is atmanepadi, but I'll just check in 1 minute. Let me go to ashtadhyay.com.
It is given in the next page only, Mahodaya, in the Abhyasa second column,
Given.
last section, D dayate diyate.
Okay, I think I have not seen that. Yeah. Kakena akashe diyate. Okay. D is atmanepadi dhatu. Yes. Okay. So tena sah अन्ये अपि पक्षिणः डयन्ते. तैः एकत्र मांसखण्डः दृश्यते. Now is this bhave prayoga? Wait. Is this bhave prayoga?
कर्मणि प्रयोग महोदय मांसखण्डः.
It is a karmani prayoga, not bhave. Because in bhave, though the kriya padam is prathama purushe ekavachane, tathapi tatra karma padam asti. A piece of meat or flesh is seen by them. So that is the object of the verb. Okay. Now change it to kartari. Taihi will become
Te ekatra mamsakanda pashyanti. Mamsapindam pashyanti.
Mamsakhandam dvitiya vibhakti. Te ekatra means at one place. That means they see somewhere something. Okay. Mamsakhandam mukhena gruhitva kakena palayate. Here, now this is which prayoga? Bhave prayoga or karmani prayoga?
Bhavi prayoga. Bhavi prayoga.
Because the main sentence is kakena palayate. That's all.
No.
Others is a kind of in English what we call a clause. A lagu vakyam. It has got a reference to that other. So change it to Kartari now. Mausa Khandam
मुखेन गृहीत्वा काकः पलायते.
Palayate. Okay. Kaka Palayate. That's all. Okay. Because even Aya Dhatu is Atmanepadi. Let me check up. Yeah, it is Atmanepadi. Okay. Right. अनुक्षणं तस्य पृष्ठतः अन्यैः काकैः गृद्धैः च धाव्यते. So what are the operative parts here? अन्यैः काकैः गृद्धैः च धाव्यते. Who will do? Kartari.
अनुक्षणं तस्य पृष्ठतः
हाँ.
अन्ये काकाः गृध्राः
गृध्राः.
च धावन्ति.
काकाः गृध्राः च धावन्ति. Not धावति. Because बहुवचनम. Okay. मांसखण्डं रक्षितुम् अनेन काकेन ततोपि उपरि दीयते. Okay. So operative part, just check. अनेन काकेन दीयते. That's all. So anena will become, we are done sarvanama shabdas na. Anena.
Idam.
No. Kakaha is pullingi shabda. Idam is no. Ayam. So ayam kakaha dayate. That's all. So mausa khandam rakshitum, I mean, for the safety of that mausa khanda, to preserve, I mean, from getting snatched away. Ayam kakaha tatopi upari dayate, means he goes still at a higher altitude. Then kakaihi grudhraihi chapi swasya shrantatam apariganayya tasya prushtataha diyate. So only first, second and last word is important. Kakaihi grudhraihi cha diyate. So kakaha gridhraha cha dayante. Okay. Now what is this? Swasya shrantatam apariganayya tasya prushtataha. We'll understand this. Pariganayya. What is pariganayya? Any idea?
Consider.
Huh?
Lebanta.
What is Lebanta? Correct. What is the dhatu?
Ganayati.
Gana ganayati dhatu. Okay, that means to count. Pariganaya is again to take into consideration or to think in from all the point of view. And apariganaya, I mean, not bothering about that. Just negation of that. I mean, without counting this, whatever it is. Now, what not counting? Shrantatam is the tiredness. Shranta is tired. Na? So, Shrantata is the tiredness. And swasya, own tiredness, not counting, I mean, notwithstanding, simple in English, notwithstanding their own tiredness, tasya prushtatah, behind him, dayate, kakah gridhrah cha dayante. Right? Anena kakena tu kampyate. What is kampyate? Kampa means kampa kampate. This also original dhatu is also atmanepade. Atmanepadi. So kampati means, kampate means to shake or to tremble. So anena kakena tu kampyate means now ayam kakaha tu kampate. Now that means after they started chasing him, he started shaking or trembling. I mean, double mind. Tasmat kakasya mukhat maus khandena patyate. So what is the operative part? Maunsa khandena patyate means Maunsa khandaha patati. That's all. Tasmat means tasmat karanat. Because of that reason, he started shaking. Kakasya mukhat Maunsa khandaha patati. Adha patitam Maunsa khandam grahitum anyaihi kakaihi gridhraihi cha dhavyate. Now here the word dhavyate is slightly, I mean, I don't agree with this word dhavyate. He has used because they are not running as such; they are swooping down. There may be some other verb. Okay. So adha patitam mausakhandam grahitum. So to catch the this one flesh fallen down. Anye kakaha gridhra cha dhavanti. Okay, dhavanti is actually something like if there is a ashwaha or gajaha or this one we can use the word or purusha. But dhavanti for the birds somehow doesn't go with me. There may be some other word. Swoop down. Okay. So that is the meaning. Tada kakena anya pakshibhya muktena bhuyate. Huh? So
One question, sir.
Yeah.
This अन्यः काकाः गृधाः च धावन्ति. So this grudaha should remain as grudaha or it should become sandhi and become grudhascha.
Gridhrash.
What is compulsory?
That is okay. Sandhi can be done anytime if required. Anye kaka gridhrascha avanti.
But it is not necessary. You can also write grudaha and then followed by cha separately.
No problem. No problem.
That is also acceptable.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thanks.
At the end of the class, maybe just remind me. I will tell you when the sandhi is compulsory, when it is not compulsory. Okay.
Okay, I'll do that.
So anye, not anyaha, that anye kakaha gridhrascha dhavanti. Okay. Now here tada kakena anya pakshibhyaha muktena bhuyate. Who will do this? What is the operative part and what is the non-operative part? Both we have to check up. Kakena muktena bhuyate, that's all. Okay. So kakena muktena. So both are tritiya vibhakti ekvachan, so they are visheshan vishesha bhava. So that means change it to prathama. Kakaha muktaha bhuyate will become bhavati. Kakaha muktaha bhavati. And then tada kakaha anya pakshibhyaha muktaha bhavati. Anya pakshibhyaha. What is the vibhakti?
Panchami vibhakti bahuvachanam.
Yeah, panchami bahuvachan. Okay. It can be chaturthi also, panchami also. But here you have to take the sense of the sentence. he becomes free from other birds. So that is the Panchami. तेन ज्ञायते यत् अधुना मया स्वतंत्रेण भूयते इति. So तेन ज्ञायते. Now here there are two bhave prayogas. तेन ज्ञायते. So this is a bhave prayoga. So what will be the kartari?
Saha janati.
Saha janati. He knows now. After he becomes free from the other people, saha janati, he knows. Yat means that adhuna maya swatantrena bhuyate. Maya swatantrena. So visheshan vishesha bhava. So change it to kartari.
Aham swatantram.
Swatantraha. Aham swatantraha. No.
Swatantraha bhavami.
Huh?
Aham swatantraha bhavami.
Bhavami is grammatically correct, but not in the sense. When he becomes free, he knows that he is free or he becomes free. Tena saha janati yat adhuna aham swatantraha asmi. Okay,
Asmi.
This is the example when I said now, when you change from bhuyate back to either it can be bhu or as, and there is a very slight difference. Okay, he doesn't know that he is becoming free. He has already become free, so he is not is becoming. So saha janati yat adhuna saha swatantraha asti iti. Okay. Now Mausa Khandana iva asmasu api ahankarena bhuyate. Okay. Now Mausa Khandena iva asmasu ahankarena. Now Mausa Khandena and ahankarena both are Tritiya Vibhakti, but both are, I mean, though it is this one, it is different this one, but we have to change both to Prathama Vibhakti. Mausa Khandaha iva अस्मासु अपि अहंकारः किम अस्ति. Inside us, asmasu means saptami vibhakti bhajan. In us also there is a ahankara like Mausa Khanda. If you leave, you are free. Okay. Mausa Khanda iva asmasu api ahankara asti. यदि सः अहंकारः त्यक्ता भवति तर्हि जीवनेन भाररहितेन भूयते. So जीवनेन भाररहितेन भूयते. So here bhuyate is becomes bhudatu is either you can put bhu or as. Yadi saha ahankara tyakta bhavati means if that pride or ego is left behind, then jivanam bhararahitam bhavati. Life becomes simple. मुक्तेन काकेन गगन सौंदर्यम यथा द्रष्टुम शक्यते तथैव अस्माभिः अपि जीवन सौंदर्यम द्रष्टुम शक्यते. So मुक्तेन काकेन शक्यते. These are the only things. First, so muktah kakah pashyati. Kim pashyati? When he becomes free, then he is free to see the gagana saundaryam. Now drashtum shakyate. So here, not pashyati, sorry. Shakyate will become shaknoti. Yatha muktah kakah gagana saundaryam drashtum shaknoti. Tathaiva अस्माभिः will become vayam. वयमपि जीवनसौन्दर्यं द्रष्टुं शक्नुमः. कर्तृ अनुसारी क्रियापदम. वयम शक्नुमः. Okay. So this much is understood properly. How to change karmani to kartari and kartari, bhave to kartari and kartari to bhave. Hello.
Sir, one doubt.
हाँ.
यदि अहंकारः त्यक्तः तर्हि जीवः भाररहितः भवति. Is it correct or जीवनं भाररहितं, which is?
Bhagini, your mic is, I think, double. There is some problem in your mic. When other people ask the question, there is no echo.
I don't know. One mic.
Bhagini, use earphone, then it won't be there.
Ah.
Oh, I don't know where I kept it. Is it clear? Now you are able to hear me properly?
Yeah, okay, yes.
No, my doubt is, can this be, this way it can be said. यदि सः अहंकारः त्यक्तः भवति तर्हि जीवः भाररहितः भवति.
हाँ, no
Is it correct?
Yeah.
It is also
No, here it is not a question of jivaha. That is not the what is the person. Talking of life. Jivanena bhararahitena bhuyate. The life becomes simple. Life becomes tension free.
okay. Then it is napumsakalinga.
Napusakalingi shabda. Not
Okay.
if he had, I mean, this is, I am going verbatim as given in the text. If the text was jivena bhararahitena bhuyate, then this one is okay. Jivaha bhararahita bhavati.
Okay.
The person, the jivaha, mean it can be anybody. I mean, animal, insect, or even reptile. But here he is talking of life, jivanam. So jivanam bhararahitam bhavati. Life becomes tension free.
Okay, धन्यवाद.
Astu. Now,
Sir, if we will write this line, यदि सः अहंकारः त्यक्तः भवति in कर्मणि, then it will be like यदि तेन अहंकारैः त्यक्तः भूयते, तर्हि जीवनं भाररहितं भवति. Is it okay?
but there is small change. You say it again. एक बार फिर बोलिए. यदि
यदि तेन अहंकारैः त्यक्तं भूयते.
Why त्यक्तः? त्यक्तः किसका विशेषण है?
अहंकार त्यक्तः.
यदि तेन
अहंकारेण त्यक्तेन.
अहंकारेण त्यक्तेन भवति. बट दैट कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा, क्योंकि मतलब इसमें सह प्रथमा विभक्ति, अहंकार आल्सो प्रथमा विभक्ति, त्यक्तः आल्सो प्रथमा विभक्ति, तो इसमें गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. कौन सा विशेषण विशेष भाव किसके साथ जोड़ना है? अगर आपको उतनी काबिलियत है तो आप कर सकते हो, उसमें कुछ नहीं, लेकिन वो देखना पड़ेगा किसके साथ जोड़ना है.
तो कैसे करेंगे सर?
सोचना पड़ेगा मुझे भी, मैं भी कोई मतलब पंडित तो है ही नहीं. ओके. यदि तेन अहंकार रहितम, यदि तेन अहंकारेण त्यक्तेन भवति, सबकी तृतीया बन जाएगी.
So it is half it is kartari and half is it's karmani. Is that so?
The first part, यदि सह अहंकार त्यक्तः भवति. Actually, here 1 minute. I mean, this I have to bring to the notice of Sanskrit Bharati. यदि सह, ओके, नहीं 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 नहीं, ओके, समझ गया। इधर जो सहा है ना शब्द, दैट इज विशेषण ऑफ अहंकार। ओके,
So tena ahankarena tyaktena भवे
यदि तेन,
जीवनः
नो नो नो,
yes sir
तेन अहंकारेण त्यक्तेन भूयते।
भूयते हाँ भूयते so then the next is कर्मणि so you have to change it to कर्तरि
It can be.
जीवनः भाररहितः भवति
Why are you changing lingam? See, I mean, in Sanskrit you have to be very particular of lingam. Jivanam is a napusakalingi shabda.
जीवनम् okay okay जीवनम्
Jivanam bhararahitam bhavati.
okay
Okay.
yes
Here, I mean,
भाररहितं भवति. Okay.
now here they are given in the this one, whatever I had told you in the earlier this one, same thing. There is no this table, if you remember, all this is simple. Okay. So now let us see. Kakena akashe diyate. So what will be the kartari?
काकः आकाशं
ढयते
ढयते.
Akashe only. Akasha. Okay. Tena dhavyate.
काकः आकाशे
प्रथमा और
डयते डयते
प्रथमा
डयते.
या तृतीया, that's all. 3 इन भावे द्वितीय तो होती ही नहीं है। सो प्रथमा
हाँ.
उतना ही, बाकी सब वैसे के वैसा रखना है। ठीक है। तेन धाव्यते,
यस सर.
तेन धाव्यते, इसका क्या होगा?
सः सः धाव्यते.
वही धाव्यते।
धावति
धावती,
धावति।
धावती,
धावति. ओके धावति. यस.
गांडीवेन स्रस्यते।
गांडीवः संसते।
अरे आप गीता कितनी बार पढ़ चुके हैं प्रकाश महोदय? गांडीवम संसते हस्तत्वचैव परिदह्यते, उसका रेफरेंस है। सो गांडीव इज अ नपुंसकलिंग शब्द, गांडीवम एंड स्रस्यते, सो स्रंसते,
संसते।
स्रंसते धातु स्रस, स्रंस धातु। ओके, सो गांडीवम स्रंसते। मम संतोषेण भूयते।
अहम संतोषम अस्मि.
Why aham?
मम सन्तोषः भवति.
भवति अथवा मम संतोषः अस्ति। मम इज षष्ठी विभक्ति. षष्ठी विभक्ति डोंट चेंज फॉर गॉड सेक। चतुर्थी, पंचमी, षष्ठी, सप्तमी, all that will remain the same because I have given here अन्ये नियमाः पश्यन्तु अत्र। अन्यानि पदानि किमपि परिवर्तनं न करणीयम्। ओके, सो कर्तृपदस्य विशेषणानि कर्मपदस्य, also in bhave कर्मपद will not be there, but just remember along with them that visheshan visheshya bhava should be adhered to, and अन्यानि पदानि किमपि परिवर्तनं न करणीयं तर्हि मम सन्तोषः अस्ति और मम सन्तोषः भवति। वृक्षैः कम्प्यते।
वृक्षः कम्पते.
वाय वृक्षः एकवचन, अत्र बहुवचनम् अस्ति।
वृक्षाः 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 कम्पन्ते
वृक्षा कंपन्ते पार्थेन खिद्यते
खिद्यते पार्थः
खिद खिद खिद्यति
खिदति
let me see whether it is atmanepadi or this one
हाँ खिदति खिद्यति
खिद is
खिद्यति
खिद is atmanepadi and chaturtha ganasya dhatu चतुर्थ गणस्य विकरणं किम् अस्ति य सो तत्रापि खिद्यते एव ओ सारी आत्मनेपदी सो पार्थः खिद्यते राइट
खिद्यते ओके
see here both आत्मनेपदी and sorry भावे प्रयोगे तथा कर्तरी प्रयोगे क्रियापदं समानं दृश्यते पार्थेन खिद्यते पार्थः खिद्यते एव because first it is atmanepadi dhatu and it is a chaturtha ganasya dhatu so vikaranam is also ya and at karmani prayogasya api ya so whether you go for parasmay kartari prayoge the chaturtha ganasya lat lakare khid plus ya plus atmanepadi pratyaya te because the dhatu itself is atmanepadi like nrityati here it becomes khidyate and have prayoge change prathama to tritiya parthena but khidyate now that te which is atmanepadi lat lakar this one for kartari it goes then ya vikaran goes you remain dhatu khid then you add ya of the bhave prayoga not of the vikaran pratyaya there is a slight difference okay and then though both are year one year corresponds to fourth gana other year corresponds to bhave prayoga and since dhatu itself is atmanepadi so both forms look same okay kandukena patyate
One question, sir.
yeah
Going back to Gandivam Samsate, if you see the Kartari, that Sra has an Anuswara on top of it. Whereas in this Karmani, the Anuswara has disappeared.
That let me see why it happens. Srams, okay. Now I will check in the Dhatu Rupanandini what is Srams. It is Prathama Ganasya Dhatu. Uh, 54. Here it is given in, I mean, people are able to see Dhatu Rupa Nandini. This is a book published by Sanskrit Bharati. There, the Dhatu number 754 is Srams. So, the Kartari Roop is Sramsate. And in Karmani, that Yaki, they have written, is Srasyate. Why that Anuswara goes off, I am not aware of the grammar, such a deep grammar right now. Okay. Take it as granted for.
Okay.
Sir. Mama sandoshena bhuyade. Mama sandosham bhavati ya asti.
संतोषम नहीं होता है नारायण साहब संतोषः होता है मम संतोषः either भवति और अस्ति को भी anything
संतोषः is prathama vibhakti
हाँ, correct.
Not Nabusagaling, not Nabusagalingam.
Santosha is a pullingi shabda.
Okay. No, Sandosha.
Kandukena patyate.
Kandugam patati.
हाँ, okay. पुष्पेण विकस्यते.
Pushpam vigasati.
Very good. योधैः युध्यते.
Yodaha yudyante.
युध्यन्ते. Actually, yudha is also chaturtha ganasya dhatu, but since the karta is in Bahujan, युध्यन्ते. सूर्येण प्रकाश्यते.
सूर्यः प्रकाशति.
सूर्यः प्रकाशति.
Surya Prakash.
Sir, sir, is there anything to understand which one is different from the Napunsankling? Sometimes Yuddha Chakraha, it is problem. They turn into the this Pullinga, sometime Napunsankling.
नहीं.
Yes. How it be?
नहीं, there are, I mean, rules are there, but beyond the scope of this class. Okay. Only thing is, you have to remember which shabda is Napusakalingi, which shabda is Pullingi, and which shabda is Trilingam. Okay. जैसे जैसे आप पढ़ेंगे अपने आप समझ में आ जाएगा कौन सा नपुंसकलिंग में है, कौन सा पुल्लिंग में है. अभी तो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा और कुछ नहीं. उसके ऊपर एक किताब है पूरी, अमरकोश करके. वो अगर आपको पढ़ना है या याद करना है तो कर सकते हैं. मुझे तो याद नहीं है. ओके.
अस्तु सर.
ओके. शुनकैः भष्यते.
Shunakaha. Bashyanti.
Let me see whether Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi.
Bashyate. Bashyante.
Bhasha is Parasmepadi.
Oh, Bashyanti.
Bhashyanti ne, Bhashanti. Why here?
Bhashanti. Okay.
नहीं, आपको ये भी याद रखना है सब लोगों को कि कौन से गण का धातु है. ये प्रथम गण का है तो भशंती. अगर चतुर्थ गण का है तो युध्यन्ते, य उसमें आएगा. नृत्यंती. पदम आत्मनेपदी, परस्मैपदी, गण, और फॉर द अदर वर्ड्स, I mean, which are not verbs, you have to remember the lingam. These are, I mean, basic foundations.
How to find out the gana, sir? Chaturthi gana, like that, how to find it out?
I mean, I don't have any this one. I looked up in the ashtadhyay.com here. So I also have no clue. Maybe there are 2000 dhatus, and who will remember all the 2000 ganas and all that? I don't remember. So I have to go back to. And there is another thing. I mean, if you attach upasarga, sometimes the pada changes. It changes from parasmaipadi to atmanepadi and vice versa. There is that also confusion is there. So we have to look up in the dictionary only. Like Ji dhatu, Ji Jayati, na, is parasmaipadi. But V, if you add V upasarga, it becomes Vijayati and not Vijayati. But that is, I mean, the language. It is not my rule. I have not made the rules, and we have to look up the dictionary. That's all. That is all. Okay. Ashvena sthiyate. This is a very good example.
Ashvaha tishtanti.
Ashvaha tishtati. Very good. Because you remove the te pratyaya, then ya pratyaya, karmani bhave prayogasya ya pratyaya, then you remain sthi, but there is no dhatu called sthi. that in our Vishesh Dhatavas, I had given stha becomes thi, da becomes di, dha becomes dhi. So like that, going reverse, sthi becomes tha. And stha is not the this one. And again it changes to tishtati. So ashwaha tishtati. And these are all whatever we have learned so far. Diyate, bhuyate, patyate, prakashyate, dhavyate, kampyate, vikasyate, bhashyate, srasyate, kidyate, yudhyate, sthiyate. They are all akarmaka dhatu, intransitive verbs in English. There is no object of the verb. So this is the one. Okay. So
one question, sir.
हाँ ये पृच्छतु महोदय.
So can we say in Bhave Prayoga this Kriya Pada is always akarmak? Since karma is not there, dhatu will be always akarmak.
हाँ, always. In see, in akarmak dhatus will always change to bhave prayoga only. Okay, but some sakarmaka dhatus, I mean not some, all the sakarmaka dhatus, if in the sentence the karma padam is not there,
then it becomes bhave.
Then it becomes bhave. Like I will give an example. Okay. Yanani gramam gachanti. Okay. Or yanani desham gachanti. Simple. Huh? So yanaihi deshaha gamyate. That is karmani prayog. Now, suppose desha is not there and you are just telling that vehicles are going. Yanani gachanti. Now there is no though the dhatu is sakarmak dhatu, gam dhatu is sakarmak dhatu. But in that sentence, I have not used the karma padam. Vehicles are going, that yanani gachanti. Now, this is a classic example of a sakarmak dhatu used in akarmak sense. So here, there is no karmani prayoga possible. It is only bhave prayoga. So yanaihi gamyate, that's all. Prathama Purusha Ekvachan. And in English, there is no equivalent of bhave prayoga. Right? Like balaka hasat, or even in this example, yanaihi gamyate, what will you translate it into English? There is no translation. Or if you say balaka hasat.
Vehicles are going.
Vehicles are going, but that is vehicles are, again it is a kartari prayog. Yanani gachan. Huh? You cannot change, you cannot translate bhave prayoga to English. Okay.
Okay.
So we have now finished lesson 19. Now we will do this because it is a very big lesson, 20th lesson. So we will stop here and I will continue recording if you want to ask some questions, or shall we stop recording and see the questions for any other lessons?
You were to explain about this when sandhi should be made and sandhi should not be made.
Yeah. Okay. So now let me stop sharing the screen. I mean, stop sharing. I have to open some other this one. Okay.
Sir, there is one thing, sir, that Sunday 11 to 12:30 Sanskrit Bharati has started the classes, Kovida classes for us every Sunday.
10 to 12, huh?
No, sir, 11 to 12:30.
11 to 12:30. You are attending?
Yes, sir. So what about my attendance in Gita Sopanam class, sir, Sunday?
महोदय भवान् वक्तुम् इच्छति वा किं करणीयम्?
Sir, similarly, my class also Parichaya from 11 to 12:30 happening. Valmiki, Anu Valmiki is taking the class. Now the class is in session.
Okay, I see.
So I am not attending that. I am much giving importance to Gita Sobanam too.
Okay. No, I will have to discuss with our other members, and then I will give it on the group, because I have no other commitments. I can.
This class is from Samskrita Bharati Girinagar.
Okay. Prabhakar Mahodaya अस्ति वा?
हरि ओम् महोदय।
किं
श्रुतवान् परन्तु कति जना तद् बहिः गच्छन्ति इति एकं प्रष्टव्यम्। केवलम् एकः वा द्वे अस्ति चेत् कक्षायाः परिवर्तनं करणीयं वा इति।
सत्यं।
कति जनाः एवं बहिः गच्छन्ति इति पृच्छतु महोदय।
ओके, अहम् अद्यैव गणे तद् सन्देशं प्रेषयामि।
तेषाम् उत्तरम् अनुसृत्य वयं पश्यामः किं करणीयमिति।
I will send a message today on the group. Let me get the reply. How many people want to opt out for some other reason, attending some other class and all that? If there are many people, then I can, myself and Prabhakar Mahodaya, we will discuss among ourselves and we'll see how it can be adjusted. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now I'll have to open that. Where is that? Samhita. One minute. Gantas. Okay, I think I will type it out myself and then share the screen with you. Okay. Share the screen. Is this visible to everybody? संहिता एकपदे नित्या धातु उपसर्गयोः नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षाम अपेक्षते. Is this seen properly?
Yes, sir.
So what happens? Ekapade Samhita. Right now you don't bother about Sanhita. You only think of Sandhi. Okay. So Samhita and Sandhi, there is slight minor difference. Right now we will concentrate on Sandhi only. Ekapade Nitya, that within the same pada. Now padam I have already given earlier explanation that Subantam and Tingantam, that is for the long back we had pada nirmana prakriya. So you add the sup pratyaya to pratipadikam, it becomes as padam. Or you add dhatu and ting pratyaya and vikaran pratyaya to a dhatu, it becomes padam. So within one pada, the sandhi is compulsory. Nitya means always we have to do. Nitya dhatu upasargayoho. When you add a dhatu and upasarga and dhatu together, if there is a what is a possibility of carrying out sandhi, it is compulsory. Then nitya samasa, if there is a samasa happening, then we have to do. I mean, if possible, I mean, not that we have to do sandhi compulsorily. If there is a chance for sandhi, samas, in the samas, it has to be done compulsorily. But when you say a sentence, then it depends upon the person who is speaking. Okay, vivaksha is a desire to speak. So the person who is speaking on his choice, if he wants to join the sandhi, he can. If he doesn't want, no problem. Okay, so this is the shloka normally. So example, now let us see example. Okay, ekapade. Now what happens is, which example should I give? Okay, your and Ichchata. Now Ishadatu Langlakare Pratama Purushe Ekvachanam. So what happens is normally in the Langlakar we put a in the beginning, no? But there is a rule that if the dhatu itself is beginning with swara, then instead of a you become a. That is first rule. Now when you put a and e, it should become guna. That is a. But there is another rule. It says it should become vruddhi. That is I. My other things, forget about that. Now here this I has become because of the sandhi of a and e. In this is a padam. I mean, because we have attached the ting pratyaya, vikaran pratyaya, all those things, and a in beginning and all that. Now in this, there is a chance of a and e becoming together. But instead of guna, it becomes vruddhi for some other reason. But we can't leave a, e, chata. So there has to be sandhi and become aichata. Okay. So ekapade nitya. Nitya dhatu upasargayoho. Okay. Now let us see. Which upasarga and dhatu undergoing sandhi. Okay. Pari. Sorry. Upasate. Again, here, forget about that. Okay. Here itself is, see, there are two Dhatus. Pari, Upa, Asate. So here there are two upasargas. Pari, Upa and Dhatu is As. Asate. So here you will become Sandhi will become Paryupasate. So I have shown in here also again this is one pada itself, okay, because it is a dhatu plus ping pratyaya. So in it is example of ekapade as well as dhatu upasargayo. Okay, nitya samase. Okay, that is very simple. Gana and isha. You can't leave Gana Isha. If I mean different this one is, but if there is a samas of becoming Ganesha, this is samas Gana plus Isha. Okay, Gananam Ishaha Ganeshaha. So there we have to compulsorily do the sandhi if required. But suppose there is I gave a word Dasharatha and Putra. Okay. So in Gana Isha, I did Sandhi because it was required. There was chance of Sandhi could be done. But in I say Dasharatha and Putra, between Tha and Pad, that is Thakar, Akar, Pakar, Ukar, all this, there is no chance of Sandhi. So the rule is in Samas also, if the Sandhi possibility is there, you have to carry out compulsorily. If there is no possibility, then there is no requirement. Dhatu upasargaya, just now I shown paryupasate. Evam satata yukta e mam paryupasate and all that. Bhakti yoga. Ekapade I have shown in this one. And samase. So, but when you want to say different words on your own, that aham Ganesham Varsaha. Aham. Ganesham Paryupasate. Actually, Paryupasate is Bhuvachan, so Te. Te Ganesham Paryupasate. So here, this is Samas. You have to do, you can't say Te Gana Isham Paryupasate. So in Samas, compulsory. Ekapade, yes, in this, and Dhatu Upasarga compulsory. But you need not say, I mean, here, okay, Vayam. No, not Vayam. What is it? Okay. I mean, between the two different words in a sentence, you need not. If you want, you can always. Okay. So that is the rule here. Is this clear, Prakash Mahodaya?
Sir?
No. Prakash Mahodaya asked this question. I'm asking him whether this is clear.
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Okay.
I think this shloka is also good input. It clarifies many things.
Yeah, no problem. I had made it a PowerPoint presentation, but I'm not able to locate that. It was a good, same thing, written in a different style.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks, sir.
Right. So now I'll stop sharing and let us come to an end of this session. I will send Shanti mantra, and then I can answer the questions if any. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। धन्यवादः।